We've all been there. Once the calculations are finished, it's time to gather, analyze and present our results. Often this step takes a lot of time, and this is why we try to make the results of the Amsterdam Modeling Suite as accessible as possible. For this reason, you can now export your results directly into spreadsheets. This works both for single and multiple calculations. Let's look at a simple geometry optimization to see how it works. Here I've set up a geometry optimization for an ethanol molecule, using the default settings of ADF. Once the calculation is finished, I can request that the results are gathered in a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet opens with a summary of the calculation results, while the details are found in the according tabs. For most engines and tasks in the Amsterdam Modeling Suite, reports can be generated in this way. Here's an example of a periodic DFTB calculation in which phonons and the density of states have been calculated for diamond. Now let's say we have several independent calculations we want to compare. Just select all the finished calculations in AMS jobs and proceed as normal to generate a comparison of results. In this case, we can see the total energy converging with increasing number of basis functions. We hope you can put this new functionality to good use, and as always, we're happy to answer your questions below this video.